Hello, my dear g2GyanKey family. Today, we're diving into the world of health and fitness. I've got an organic gem here that I personally bought and tried, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's unwrap this beauty. This is the Bevzilla's green coffee powder. Straight off the bat, the packaging looks promising. And for those wondering about the price, it's a steal at Rs 299 for 275 grams, especially considering its original price is Rs 999. That's a 70% discount. So, what makes it special? First, it's purely organic. No chemicals, no pesticides, just the pure goodness of organically grown coffee beans. And as the name suggests, it's all about green coffee. Bevzilla isn't just about caffeine kicks, it's a metabolism booster, aiding in weight loss, and let's not forget its richness in antioxidants. But there's more. It's not only about weight loss. This powder also promotes a healthier digestive system. And trust me, in today's fast food world, we all need a little detox. Now, for the fun part. How to use this? It's simple. You mix, brew, filter, and then let your taste buds decide. Add honey, maybe a hint of cardamom or lemon, and voila, your healthy brew is ready. I'm curious, how many of you have tried green coffee before? What's been your experience? Let me know in the comments below. So, there you have it. Bevzilla's green coffee powder, unboxed and reviewed just for you. I genuinely think this could be a great addition to your health regimen. If you've been inspired or have questions, drop me an email at g2GyanKey@gmail.com. Your feedback keeps me going. And if you appreciate this honest review, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.